Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about one sensitive issue. Why? Because in the previous day, that means in the yesterday also, I did one video that UGC is neglecting the University Grants Commission's National Eligibility Test Assistant Professor qualification and giving much priority to the PhD candidates. So little bit extension to that one with respect to the ACT rules and regulations also here I am going to show you. And I want to raise the one more topic also. So as an assistant professor, do you know how much salary you are eligible for? Okay, as per the rules and the regulations, whatever they designed in the AICT or the UGC. So really you are underpaid than the chaiwala. That means whoever the chaiwala is there in front of your college, so that candidate is earning more than you per month. Okay, so if I'm wrong or correct, you please comment in the comment section, guys. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, it will be helpful or else understandable to them also. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete clarity regarding the topic whatever I want to tell you. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so whatever the PDF is there on your screen, so it is actually the Bharat Ka Rajpatra. So it is regarding the AICT, guys, AICT, fine. So All India Council for Technical Education, and it is a regulatory body for the technical education in India. So here, I mean, this video mostly follows regarding the AICT and then just little bit regarding the UGC, guys. So total 49 pages are there, and out of this one, the 25 pages are mentioned in Hindi. Okay, anyhow, I don't know Hindi well, so that's why I will go to the English. So if you want, you may go through the Hindi also. Okay, and so scrolling down, and yeah, so coming to English here. All India Council for Technical Education notification, New Delhi, the 1st March 2021. It is regarding the regulations, AICT regulations on pay scale, service conditions, and minimum qualifications for the appointment of teachers and other academic staff, such as library, physical education and training, and placement personnel in technical institutions, and measures for the maintenance of standards in the technical education regulation 2019. So in this one, of course, a lot of points are mentioned here, but here I just wanted to focus on mainly a few points. That is, what are the different types of designations are there as per the AICTE. The designations of teaching faculty are here, the cadre structure and mode of appointment also given here. Assistant professor, level 10, assistant professor senior scale, level 11, assistant professor selection grade, level 12, associate professor 13A, professor 14, senior professor 15, principal or director level 14. Okay, and here the entry pays are also mentioned here, so you may carefully check down. And coming to the assistant professor, it is a direct recruitment. Fine. That means if you want to once join in a college, you will be selected under the assistant professor, and then after keeping on doing some after gaining some experience in that college, based upon the experiences, based upon the your paper publications or something else, okay, the rules and conditions also mentioned in this PDF, okay, that you may go through personally. Okay, so promotion, that means after the assistant professor you will be promoted to senior scale, and then you will be promoted to selection grade. Okay, that's what they mentioned here. And here you should know that as an assistant professor you have to get 57,700 rupees per month as a assistant professor in your college, wherever you are working under the, if your college is mentioned as a AICTE recognized, okay, then you have to get 57,700. And the same payment is also under the university UGC colleges also, that means arts and science colleges. So there also for the level 10 category, the entry level is the 57,700. They will give one range, one band, that is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month for the assistant professor level 10 category. Okay, so here my question is, just ask one question yourself: are you getting 57,700 rupees per month as a salary under the assistant professor category in your college? Yes or no? Fine. So these colleges are strictly maintaining the educational qualifications. Okay, whether you did the regular PG or else the correspondence PG or else the part-time PG, and whether you are having the educational qualification percentage of 50%, 55%, 60% or not, whether you are having the research publications or not. Okay, once if you are following each and every educational qualifications, then why you are not following the pay scales? Okay, and I personally know that few engineering colleges are paying less than 10,000 to the postgraduates, guys, less than 10,000. And in Chennai, few colleges are giving only 20 to 30,000 for the PhD candidates. So where is the meaning in that one? And why this educationally department, whatever the education department is there in all over the India, why they are not taking care about these things? Okay, fine. You guys are planning to increase the quality in the colleges so that you are making the UGC NET mandatory and PhD mandatory, PG 55% mandatory. Okay, fine. The candidates are getting all these things, but you are not. Why you are not maintaining the exact pay scales in the colleges? Why the strict rules are not coming? Even though you are conducting the NBA accreditation or the NAC accreditations, but they are failing back. Okay, they are just failing, and what they are doing the inspection in the colleges, and they are going back. But I'm just challenging that the colleges which are NBA accredited or the NAC accredited also not getting the pay scales. So what is the answer for this one, guys? Right? Fine. So we will go into the next point, that is the qualification. And as I already gone through the UGC qualification for the assistant professor, that from 1st July 2021 onwards, okay, they kept that PhD is mandatory for assistant professor. But anyhow, in this video we are going to see the AICTE recognized colleges. Okay, and the stages of promotion, direct recruitment and mode of selection, each and everything is given here. So you may check down, guys, this one. And workload, teaching engagement of faculty members in the degree level institutions. For assistant professor, teaching or the laboratory hours per week 16. So are you getting exactly 16 and more than 16? Okay, so just ask yourself. And associate professor per week 14 hours, and a professor senior professor 14, director or principal 6. Okay, so it is a workload, and the relaxation of 2 hours per week in teaching contact hours shall be granted to faculty members handling the additional responsibilities like HOD or dean. So here salaries are giving less, but the workload is more. But still the candidates are ready to do the job. Why? Because otherwise they will be jobless. Okay, if they don't ready to uh, work with the assigned hours and with the allocated salary, if the candidates are not ready, then they will be jobless. Fine. Okay. And coming to the qualifications, here I will show you the minimum qualifications for the recruitment of assistant professor. See guys, minimum qualification, experience, research contributions, feedback and requisite training requirements for different levels for direct recruitment and promotions for the faculty members are as follows. So you all of you please check here, guys. Okay, so minimum qualification for direct recruitment as an assistant professor, level 10 category, entry pay 57,700. For the engineering or technology, so under the AICTE, what are the different departments will come? Okay, that you will get point here. So engineering or technology, BE or BTech or MS and ME or MTech, BS or MS or integrated MTech in the relevant with first class or equivalent in any one of the degrees. That means highest one is post graduation is enough. That's what they are asking. Post graduation in the particular discipline is enough for the assistant professor category, and the entry pay is the 57,700. Okay, so many, how many postgraduates are there who are watching this video, and are you getting the 57,700? And coming to the management, bachelor's degree in any discipline and master's degree in the business administration or PGDM or CA or ICW or MCOM with first class or equivalent and 2 years of professional experience after acquiring the degree of master's degree. And coming to the pharmacy, BPharm and MPharm in the relevant specialization with first class, MCA, BE or BTech or BS and ME or MTech or MS or integrated MTech in the relevant branch with first class or equivalent in any one of the degrees, and or BE or BTech and MCA with first class, or graduation and 3 years duration with mathematics as a compulsory subject, and MCA with first class or equivalent with 2 years of relevant experience after acquiring the degree of MCA. And coming to the hotel management and catering also, so you may check down, and architecture, okay, and so coming, yeah, town planning as well as design, fine, and next coming to the fine arts, okay, and while coming to the qualification of our faculties in science and humanities, so for this one, as per the UGC regulation will follow. And candidates who have done the PhD after the bachelor's degree from Indian and from Institute of National Importance with GATE or GPAT or CED shall be eligible for the post of assistant professor. So except for the science and humanities, because the science and humanities, the rules and regulations followed as per the what we call UGC regulations. So, and whatever the departments I shown you above here, for all these departments, max to max the post graduation is enough for applying the assistant professor category in the AICTE recognized colleges. Okay, so it is a qualification, guys, as per the new rules and regulations, that is 2019. Fine. So it is a thing what exactly happening here in the educational institutions. So in what way we have to take the action for this one? So many faculty members are suffering that even though the qualifications are there, but they are very less underpaid than the chaiwala. Okay, so how to take action on this one? So if you please suggest in the comment section, then we can move further, guys. Okay, so hope this video will little bit make you understand that in which position we are. Okay, and so by this I'm closing this video, guys. So please mention your comments and suggestions in the comment box. Okay, so based upon that one, we will see the further video. Fine. So please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon to get the more videos. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop the video here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.